Hey all you YouTubers, this is going to be a bike check, first one. Have no idea what I'm really doing. Let's start from the front. Okay, as you can see, I got stolen revolver rims. You can see that, white. Stolen tornado forks, regular stolen frame, and you got a plastic stolen seat post, or Thermalite seat post. Then you got the stolen seat, and you got stolen convict stem, stolen headset, and all that. Fit repeater grips, just got those like today for Christmas. Colt leader bars, 28 wide or 29 wide, 8.25 rise. Then you got the stock KMC chain, stock forgot what the chain wheel is called. Let's just skip that for now. Mob cranks, stolen mob cranks, Odyssey twisted PC, missing end caps. Little dice for the valve caps, as you can see. Then spokes are black, nipples suck. That's about it. Then you got a stolen roulette hub in the back. And that is my bike check. Thank you.